Hit start. Is it going?
Okay. All right. So the first question is ordered dose morphine 2 milligrams IV every 2 hours is needed for pain. What we have available is 10 milligrams per ml though. So we need to figure out how many milliliters will be given. So the best thing that I do for this is create a ratio equation. And what I do first is I write down what I know we already have. So we have 10 milligrams per ml, and then we need to have 2 milligrams, and we have no idea what milliliter is a volume measurement, so we need to know how many milliliters. So what I do is just do a cross multiply. So 10 milligrams times X equals 2 milligrams per ml. Okay, this is going to cancel, of course, and we need to get X by itself. So I'm going to do X divided by 10 into 2. So I just use the calculator. 2 divided by 10, and it equals 0.2 milliliters is the answer. Okay? So next, on your slides, we have Phenergan, 25 milligrams. Okay? Every 6 hours is needed for nausea and vomiting. Available is Phenergan 50 milligrams per 2 ampules. That's what that stands for, ampules. And that's what that is right there. It's a type of container for your medication. How many milliliters will be given in one dose? Again, I take what I know I have. That's what's available in stock. So I make a ratio equation. 50 milligrams per 2 ml. And then we know we need to give 25 milligrams. We just don't know the volume we're going to give, right? So you just cross multiply again. And I'm making this really simple, doing each little step for you guys. Okay, so the milligrams are going to cancel. We're going to get X by itself. So it's 1 milliliter. That's how much we're going to give of that medication. Okay? Next, order Tylenol 300 milligrams by mouth every 4 hours is needed for headache. Liquid Tylenol we have available is 30 milliliters per 1,000. Okay? How many milliliters will be given in one dose? So this basically is this. I'm just going to write it differently. So we've got Tylenol 300, but we know we have 30 milliliters per 1,000 or 1,000 per 30. Okay, so I'm going to write that out first because that's what I know we have. And we need to give 300. So we're trying to figure out how much volume are we going to give. That's X. So we're going to cross multiply. Okay, so 300 times 30. I know what it is, but I'm going to do it anyway. 9,000. To get X by itself, we're going to divide by 1,000 and we get 9 milliliters. This is how much we are giving of Tylenol in one dose. Last one. This is a weight calculation in there. Mr. Patient weighs 225 pounds. His order reads lidocaine 1.5 milligrams per kilogram. What, and you're going to give it immediately, what dose will he receive? Okay, so he weighs 225 pounds. We need to figure out his kilogram weight. So we know that 2.2 pounds equals 1 kilogram. So we're going to do this. 225 divided by 2.2 equals 102.27. So we'll say 102.3. So 102.3 kilograms, and we need to know the milligrams we're giving. And you can give this medication 1.5 milligrams per kilogram. So we're going to do that. 102.3 And we're going to multiply that times 1.5. And we get 153 milligrams. Ta-da! There you go.